The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests love walking around the neighborhood. There are four types of rooms available on booking.com. You can book online and enjoy it. You can see more than 100 reviews of this hotel on booking.com. Security is 9.4. It is the superb. The check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. The checkout time is 12 p.m. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Guests are required to show a photo ID and credit card at check-in. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. For more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem with studying in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you are new